all of the memories. Lapwag! Kantay, dara ka na dito tabi. May kasalwas ka mo dito. Ang kasalangat, tinatay. Dili, ma-snack nga ni. Ma-snack ka. Tinatay lang dara ko. Tinatay ka, makati ka mo. Tira. Amo kay kami. Makati na lang. Okay, di ka pa mo nakaluto. May gusto kong tayo naraluto. Tapos nakakaluto ulit. Ano, di mo naman sila mag-ano. Panaluto ka lang ako.
Ha?
Hindi na lang ng alas 12.
Ah, ito ba?
Ito na duwa na kaldero na ano dito magsub na luto. Dito na magsub na. Nagdala ko bugas, wala man ako dara mo bugas. Ay bugas pa doon. Muwa na lang doon sa ano. Madara ka pa ng Thank you.
Tantay, makato ka, tantay. Ano ulit isla?
Tong tong tong. Tang tong sahor. Tong 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 sahor. Kagas niya niya. Kaluwas man ang tuon niya. Kaya na yada. Kirila. Ito na. Yan na. Balik ka ulit. Sobrang naman. Thank you, Sir Chester. All of the memories. Reklamo man. Mareklamohon sila, Fang. Thank you po. Tong sahur. Tong sahur. My God. My God, ang hirap mag-live. Nagubatan. Ano dito? Bato pa sa
Ay, thank you so much pa, Fabio. Fabio.
Ay, peta si Takore.
You're back. Yes, I'm back.
Kariyan mo na nga si Alan.
Budi tuta, budi, budi.
Ulam.
Thank you. 15 likes. Hi, Donnie. Donnie. Adna. Elias Chavez. Elias. Huh? Thank you so much po. 22 million here. Hussein, huh? Thank you, 17 likes. Tuta, William Clark, Elias, hi, Sergio. Thank you pa.
Bawal ang bata. Ito na, bawal ang bata. Didi, bibi. Come on, bibi. Bawal ang bata. Ano naman? Oh, anong Wow, gayon.
Kasi mahulog yun.
Mahulog ka doon, baba. Mahulog ka. Ano ba na? Ito na.
Ano rap-rap? Ay, hindi na kaway. Ha? Rap-rap? Ay, hindi na kita. Ano iluluto mo?
Laan yan. Sabaw.
Kamugawan. Ano? Matagal ang pagtabo.
Nagkad na. Nagkad na. Yeah.
Duck looks like she's boiling bamboo shoots. Bamboo shoots. Yes, what for lunch? Pork sinigang. Hi Brian, what are you cooking? Pork sinigang. Hi Doc. Thank you Doc. Hi Ronels. Nice to see you again po. Thank you so much. Doc, that's not... Huh? Monkeys too? No? Hi, Sir Ronel. Thank you po. Thank you, Sir Ronel. Yeah. She's always on my mind. Bantayan mo ha, diri mo paano nini, ano sa ayam ha, bantayan mo lang po. Diri pag ano, doon ka lang, hayuon mo lang ang ayam, doon ka lang, hayuon mo ang ayam pag nagkada. Ayun! 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 Ya! Ya! Doon mo! Ayam! Doon mo! Ya!
Ayo.
Sabi mo yun, bebe. Sabi yun, ulagan.
Opo. So tell me where the world's gone. Sir Jamie. Hi, Sir Jamie. Don. Kuya Jay. Ay, Jizar. Thank you, Jizar. JS Rocker. Sorry. Sorry, Pamdok. Guapa Shell. Thank you po. Thank you, Sir Jamie. Is Arzel. Hey, Don. Chat! What are you cooking po? Pork sinigang. I cook for sinigang for the who work the rice because they are plant. It's okay, Doc, but they get insulted. Don't think it's funny. Oh my God. Yummy, yes, yummy. Oh my God. Hello, Jamie from Don. Thank you so much for joining po. Be nice. Halika doon. Lipat mo na, maluto ulit. Opo, lipat mo na doon sa may tatlo baga. Sabi, opo. Oo. Saga na. Ang kulit na.
Bakit di ko alam?
Mahulog ka nga ni doon.
Ayaw na kay Matiun. Ayaw na sa okay raot man yung ngani. Ano, Lapang? Lapang, ibutan mo dito tabi. Salamat, sisiluga, titi ata. Titi dito. Wala. Kaya. Ha? Ano to? Pagluto? O sige, ikaw. Ikaw ang bahala, Tan.
Pipoy dalaga ni Rap-Rap. Ako, bandang.
Oh, thank you so much. Brian, is that a soup? Yes, soup. Pork sinigang. Why taking pork sinigang? Thank you so much po. Thank you, Sir Derek. Thank you sa pig. Yes, pig. Sa pig. Pork. Sa pig. My God. Cheetah. 6 seconds. Vlada. Greetings morning. Thank you po. So tell me where to... Eric Guermin, good morning. Good morning, Sir Eric. Ang init. Kahambag nila pa. Thank you pa. Hi sir, thank you sir. My God, thank you po. My gulay. Thank you for the gift, super chat. Thank you sir Rick. Goring. God bless po. You're welcome. Thank you so much. Tell me where to expect. Who's a valley? Every little, yes, every little, but helps. Yes, po. Every little, but helps. That's right, po. Thank you so much, Rick. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Hi, GTV. Good morning. Good morning, Ma'am GTV. Good morning po. Nagpatanim kami ng palay, kaya nandito ako sa may palayan banda. Nagtanim ka ba?
Oo.
Didi ha?
Oh,
Magalit na?
Ha?
Magalit na?
Yo, kumalang nalayaw naman ha.
Duwa na tulos? What time is it now? Thank you, Ma'am GTV, Ma'am Grace. Thank you so much. 9:24. Heroic, how are you? From Mom GTV, from Mom Grace. Good morning, GTV from Wake. Thank you so much. J fans, good morning. Wednesday today in the beautiful Philippines. Thank you. Tell me where you were, 'cause it's breaking my heart. Maybe we'll never come back someday. I'm doing good. It's 14 degrees Celsius here in Ohio, USA. Oh my God. So cold. Marca the bomb. Hi, Marca the bomb. It's dangerously cold. Oh my God. Be careful, guys. And US, so cold there. Need to be careful. Like them. Thank you, Mom Grace. Sydney, Australia. From Jeepney Hands from Sydney, Australia. Rick, how are you there? Peter. Good morning, Peter. But my house is nice and warm. I need to stay at home, Sir Rick. Stay at home. Ika. Kaya ito kay. Ano? May kape ba doon? Bakit? May tinapay dito na pong. Kain ka na din na pong. La, pong. Looks like you're cooking for 100 people. No, 10, just 10 people. Just 10 po. No fun if fire burns down house. No, the house is far at the fire. So no worries. Johnson somewhere now. The house is far when the fire. But my house is, yes, thank you so much 23 people. Branaldo. Nestor. Thank you 32 million. 32 likes, my god. Equal. Yeah, yeah. Inahala ba? Ah! Ay, nako. Lapang, bantayin nga din na isda ha. Kaya makuha lang ako sila ng... Bantayin mo na. Dali, kaya nayang. Bantayin mo dito ka sa taas. Ito na, halik na ba? Halik na, kanto na. Salamat. Thank you so much. Tofi. Mainit. Suhat. Ano ka naman? Na naman sa imo? Lapong. Baka dito lapong sin ano? Sintahan lapong. Baka dito lapong yung kahoy. Paano ako kahoy? Thank you. Thank you lapong. Yadi ho, yadi ho. Yun mo. Opo, yada. Ha? Salamat. Thank you. Adi ko kana kuya mo ang ano anasin. Asin dali. Adi sa may margarine. Oh my God, raining here. No. Sa may lamisa. Ito ho, sa lamisa. Sa may margarine, sa ano, makabuta. Opo. Anasin lang. How are you? I'm fine po. Team Hodge. Windy. Yeah, windy here. Thank you po. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh my God. Windy. Walay. Hello, hi. What is it? Arbab. Oresika. Robert. Lawrence. Hi po. Robert. hi. Already subscribe and hit the likes. Thank you so much for hit the likes. Thanks. Ha? O, ano naman na lang ang takore? Salin mo na lang ang takore. My God. Do you work today? Yeah, after lunch. After lunch, we have a meeting. After lunch, we have a meeting po, Sir Don. Like and subscribe. Thank you, Sir Jace Rocker. Thank you so much. You have kids? I have one kid. He good looking. What you got cooking? Thank you pa, Mickey. Thank you, Mickey. Chinigaw, fishing, smoke in your eyes. Yeah. Yeah, smoke in my eyes. I have no sunglass. Cha cha. You got to fire nice and hot. Oh my God. He is my hi. Hirap magbasa. Yeah. Thank you so much for the likes. 27 million in the mahulog ka, alam na. Mahuslog ka. Di ka mababa. Baba. Baba. Mahulog ka nga ni Dan. Take my whole life to you, that I looks nice and sunny and warm there. I wish I was there. It's 9 degrees with a foot of snow on the ground here. Oh my god, sounds like bacon frying. A fish frying. Frying the fish. Frying the fish. 32 people. Hi, GTV. GTV? Babang! Sarapaka. Hi Don, po Monday is a special day. Yes, a special day on Monday. Thank you Don. Sir Don, thank you so much. Thank you to those with the Ah, thank you so much. My God. Cute. Huh? Mahulog ka! Ya! Gulay. Ano doon ano doon? Bawal ang my baby. Ayaw. Kapra! Tao. Oy! Nagaano ka ba ya? Hay! Hala, may halas dun. Oo, aka nag-ano ka dun. Hmm? Tukol ba? Halas. Ha? Tukol ba nga halas? Ha? Ano doon ho? Ano. Barahayan mo. Ha? Iten. Kamu dito sa lamin ka. Oh, may gulay. Sana maulit-ulit ang mga oras natin. God, oh my God. I need somebody. The fish. Sarap dami pala. Loading, loading. Kapi tayo. Kapi tayo. Kapi tayo, baba. Ay, wala ano. Wala ano. Wala na nagaso. Ito nga ni, dara ni mama mo. Thank you so much po. Mama mo. So tell me what name. Huh? Yes, 5 more days to Sharbati everyone. Please make it special by sending super chat or people, please. Thank you, Mike. Thank you. Oh my God, Hagardo na. Hagard. Thank you, pa. What are you doing, Mike? What are you doing? I'm watching you live. Thank you for watching. Hagardo. What time is it now? 10. I need to prepare because worker came here soon. Halik ka muna doon.
Anak, pagdagan ko. Sayang.
Thank you so much po. 19 people here. A lot. Thanks a lot.
Mama.
Mama mo.
Si mama ka?
Mama mo.
Ano ba yan? Si mama ko.
Pa?
Si mama.
Si mama mo. Martin Laporte, thank you so much. Hey, Martin. Ano si mama mo? Super. Ha? May halas? Din. Din may halas. Hali ka dito ba? Hali, hali, hali. My God! May gulay. Mr. Classic, I will be 46 years old. Wow! That's great pa, Martin. I've been busy, guys. I'm still busy. Doesn't stop snowing here. I'm burning a lot of firewood, living the dream. Oh my God! Be careful. Always take careful. But I look like a 20-year-old. Maybe feel young and beautiful. Hello, Miss. How? I'm fine, Olivier. Gilbert. Martin, how old are you? Thanks for supporting her channel. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Martin, you're lucky. Enjoy before you know it. You will be 65 years old. Yeah. 65 years old. Enjoy life. Ano? Ano kay maano ko kasi. 1. Wait, ano niya may ano kailangan to? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Libin man sa inyo. Cheryl, what's on menu? Pork, sinigang, and fried fish. Sir, the fried fish. Sir Derek. Fried fish and pork sinigang for soup. Soup. Do you want to pin your people? Thank you, Martin. Yes, I want. Thank you. I don't know how. I don't know how to put here because I do live my own. I can comment my own channel. Thank you, Sir Martin. Ay, lock yun sa ano, sa tinula mo na po. Yes, preparing for food. Preparing. Thank you po. I'm fine. Oliver. Manuel. Thank you, Manuel. Okay, I'm on my way. Sticker done. I'm waiting. Sir Don. Hey. How you doing, late? Golden Blade, hi. How are you doing po? Hello, Golden, from Dawn. Lapong. Lapong. Ay, sorry. Golden, please don't ever. He's not the golden. Different golden, Mike. He's not. Oh my god. Mention her ex on here again. Okay, I will show respect for her privacy, please. He's not the golden. It's other golden. He's not. Steak. Hello, welcome. Thank you so much. Yes. Hello, makaon ka na? Ha? Makaon ka na? Makaon ka na? Tinapay. Gusto mo tinapay? Ha? Dali man na gusto mo. Loto? Sabaw? Gusto mo sabaw? Gusto mo tinapay? Okay. Oh, tinapay. Oh, ano? Panik ka ha? Thank you. There's your paper. Oh, thank you, Marlon. Thank you so much. Thank you, Martin. Okay, sorry, Golden. Wrong one. Yes, wrong one. That's a different, that's a different Golden. Different. Yes, yes. Wrong diet. Thank you, Martin. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for supporting, guys. Ambunay. Double tap your screen. Thank you. Kunti lang laman. My God. Kunti lang. Importante meron. Hey, Golden from Martin. Golden Blade. Golden Blade. Thank you po. I have a lot of course to do. I will be back. Okay, thank you so much, Martin, for joining. Take care. Bye-bye. Good night. Good night, America. Oh my God. Walang laman. Nawala yung laman. Let's go. Let's go. People open 24/7. Thank you, Sir Martin. 24/7. May gulay. Ako'y mali pa. Ano bang magmahal? Palagi bang nasasaktan? Lagi na lang di maaari. Gusto ko nang lumisan. Stop lurking, everyone. Comment. Lurking. Comments are free. Just be respectful, guys. Thank you so much. Lurking. Thank you po. My God. Two more. Please, 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 please. Yeah. Oh my God. I need somebody who can love me out my ways. Wow. Yes. Opo. Roxanne. Andili ikaw. Hi, Sir Marcus. Hey, good morning. Thank you po. It's fair. So, papaya, papaya, saging, saging, saging. Ayan, I'm waiting for our workers. They came here to eat. Thank you, 52 likes. My God. Oh! Nano? Diri nagpupurmal. Formal bagang. Tapos ka na sa to, kay makapiman ako. Okay, pero. Kuha man tabi tanto, itas butang mo dito si mainit ko sa. Sayaw-sayaw habang nag-aantay. Ah, thank you po, Sir Marcos. Thank you so much. Wala na. I'm waiting. While waiting, I dance. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm waiting for the workers. They plant the rice. Thank you po. Come on, it's coffee. You're welcome. Thank you so much po. Calvin Johns. Tyler. Hi, Tyler. Ikaw ang binibini na ninamais ko, bining-bining maritis na kainin ko, ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo, sana ang habang buhay. Si Ang. Tong-tong-tong sa heart. Copy po.
Balay.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dun, Thank you sa nagla-likes. Sorry. I want you here with me. Marco. Hi Marco. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Santa Rosa, Lima. Amiga, Colombia. Hi from Colombia. Latina. Latino. Beautiful. Hi. Ang cute. Ang kulit. Uya! Ang kulit. Silly, silly, silly. Di ko na malayang na ako pala, ikaw na nga ang matagal ko manghintay. Oh, I'm falling in love with you. It is a time. Gusto ka na ba? Nasa mabuti ka bang kalagayan? I was afraid as time would go. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within. I have learned to live my life besides you. Maybe I just dreamed good tonight and left into my I just keep on dreaming till my heart exams. Oh, I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within. I have learned to live my life besides you. Maybe I just didn't want to live into my dream. Marco the Bomb. Marco the Bomb. You touch me once again. I just keep on dreaming till... Uy, nakalive ako. Narubo ka na. I just keep on dreaming. GTB, thank you. Marcus, hello from GTB. Come on, Grace. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared. Sub, Don, Marcus, thank you. Ayaw. Ay, ayoko nang makulit. No, ayaw, babe. Ayaw nga. Hello, Sixy Host. Sixy Host. Thank you. Hi, Rick. Welcome back, Rick. I hope all your dreams come true. So, thank you, sir, Rick. Thank you so much. My wish. Hope my wish, all my dreams come true po. Thank you. Ayaw. Bad yan, bad. Saya.
Iko?
Formal. Aray ko. Nakuha ka sa tingin. At nakuha mo. Lucio Sabaho. I was afraid because soon after lunch I'm going to attend the meeting. Larry Gibbs. Hi, Larry Gibbs. Thank you, sir, Larry. just keep on dreaming till my heart exams. I was afraid this time when I'm pressing the face this kind of running from within. Ha?
Tema?
Opo.
Bag mo na?
Opo. Bag ko ba gayon?
Mama, bag!
Sa ako yun.
Bag mama!
Till my heart.
No! Tema!
Every
Bag ko man ba yun?
Doc, hi Doc. Just in my ears. There was heaven in my mind. Then you're gone, oh, so far away. What up, Martin? From Sir Doc. Hi, Doc. Cheryl, hi, Doc. Thank you for joining again. Gusto mo tinapay?
Ha?
Tinapay?
Abo ko man?
Abo ko man. Hindi abo.
Ayam!
Ha?
Bagon ko ayam.
Abahugan man ayam? Once again, I just keep. Thank you po. Doc Makay, 2 dogs in the house. Yes, 2 dogs in the house. Thank you, Doc Makay. Thank you so much. Dancing. Oh, my gulay! My gulay, Sir Doc! My gulay. Gulay. I love gulay. I like gulay. What kind of gulay? I like, favorite. May favorite gulay is talbos ng kamuting kahoy with, coconut milk. Yes? Hello. Baliktad. Baliktad. Oh, baliktad baga. Baliktad ang chinilas mo. Oh, baliktad. Oh, yan. Irog dapat. So, baliktad ah. Yan. Baliktad, yes. Baliktad. Cheryl talaga. Yes, nagula. Hindi, baliktad. Irugso no. Ganyan. Ganyan. Ay. Cheryl talaga, we have kamote with coconut milk on the stove. Ah? Kamote, yes. But I like the kamote with sardines. The talbos na kamote with sardines awa. So, masarap. Masarap. Yummy. Talbos ng kamuting kahoy. Kulit. Kulit. Seryoso. Yeah, seryoso. Ay, bad yan. Bad yan. Ay, taloon ko. Nye. Ang kulit. Ano nang sabi? Nanang sabi, Tantoy? Badyan na. Ay, badyan ha. Pilti kong kunahiwa mo. Doc, you stop talking. Thank you sa nag-likes po. I like your hidden room. I have no tattoo. I have no tattoo. No tattoo. Na ano yun? Bakit nag-iyak? Ay nako. Bawal na nag-iiyak. Bawal. What time na? Oh my God. Almost 11 a.m. here now. Ala, bawal nag-iyak. Bawal na nag-iyak. Salamat. Ay, bait talaga nila po. Hinihintay, pinapangarap. Ngayong nakita kay di ako papayag. Aking mamahalin at dito. Larry is still there. Oh my God. Larry. Larry is Larry gets. Sir Larry has said, Cheryl. Hi, Althea Vlogs. Hi po. Althea Vlogs. Erica. You told me more. You were scared of me. You didn't come down so far away. I was afraid Althea is asawa ko. Name. Same name of your asawa? Sir Doc. Filipina. Yes, I'm Filipina. Asawa ko name. She's your wife? She's your wife? Or just a same name? Oh my God. Si Ma'am Althea from Doc Makay. Asawa Doc Makay. Hola. Hola. Say, just same name. Okay. Just same name. Okay. I thought she's your wife. Hola, Victor Chavez. Ki haciendo? Oh, really, Sir Maki? Same name. I thought you're, she's your wife. Just same name. Oo, Althea. Same name. Never told you. Saan ka nakatira sa Pinas, Althea? Saan ka nakatira sa Pinas? Dok Makay, ano? Asking you. I love you, Canada. Oops, wrong spelling. Althea channel. Althea channel. Yes, it's a no. It's right. Althea vlog channel. Ba, 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 ba. I love you, can't see. I love you, can't see. Di mo masabing magkakatinabi. Hi, what's happening, Cheryl? How are you doing today? Sir Natalie, Natalie's vlog. Natalie's my vlog. Doing fine. I'm here at my sister's home. At rice. This place is the rice field. So it's dancing friends. Cheryl, you having fun humming? Sir Damien, hi Sir Damien. I love dancing. That's why. When I feel bored, I I like this. Just to know. It helps me to feel relaxed. Dancing, singing. I am from South Luzon, po, Batangas City, Makay. From Batangas. Alai, alai. Alai. Products in here. Send us some good health vibes. Thank you. That's awesome. Always good to visit family and have fun. Yes. Good to visit. I'm always visiting my sisters, brothers. Just to ano. Kumusta? Kumustahan? I love my family. Hello, how are you doing? Hi, James. Hey, James. I'm doing fine. My God. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao. Haggard. Oh, gano'n na. Saan gano'n? Sana nandiyan na. Never told ya. Let's dance. Why? Sir Jamie. Wild thing. Thank you, Sir Jamie. My God. Wild thing. Are you cooking? Done cooking, Sir James. Done cooking. I cook fried fish and pork sinigang for soup. Pork sinigang. Rice. Have a rice for lunch. And I thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be here with forevermore. My love for you will forever. It's beautiful there, Cheryl. Yes, thank you so much, Jimmy Moore. I'm visiting my sister's home because today they're planting rice. So I cook for the workers for their lunch. I hope it tastes good, but hope they like it. Fried fish, rice, and pork sinigang for soup like this. But the soup I will put the pork and then have a vegetable. Then when they came there, I will put the sabaw, the soup by hand or by hand by hand. I can do tomorrow. I will do a rice plant tomorrow by hand. Tomorrow I will do rice plant tomorrow. I need to earn money. I'm working here for earn money. I think 450. So almost $10. Yes, almost $10. Did I not understand? Sorry. Sorry po. Sana'y malab. Thank you for nagla-likes. So hit the likes. Thank you po. Tomorrow you will understand what I'm saying here, because how to rice plant. Oh my god. How to rice plant. I am Brazilian. Okay. You are Brazilian. Sana'y malaman ng puso ko. Sabi ng bakit di na tutuhanin na. Oh my god, thank you, Sir Jamie Moore. Thank you, Sir Jamie. Oh my god, tomorrow. $19 for 2 days working. Oh my god. But I need to work tomorrow. Already paid for tomorrow. I think I need to save money for the future. Thank you, Sir Jamie. Sir Jamie, thank you so much. Thank you pa. Thanks a lot. God bless you more. I need to work. I need to waiting for the workers. They work a lot because they work under the sun. Manual, as in hand. They plant hand. Tomorrow I will do plant. I will planting the rice. I will do live, of course. How to plant. How to plant under the sun. That's why I really love farmers here. They work a lot, farmers here in the Bicol. And not only here in Bicol, but here in the Philippines, they work a lot. But they not the pay is not enough. they're working hard, but they live ano here, happy life. It's fine. Thank you po. God bless. Thank you, Jamie from Mike. What about you talking about? Where are you talking about? I'm talking about planting the rice here. Rice. How to plant the rice. Sir Jamie asking if they are planting the rice, if at machine or by hand. The planting by hands. So imagine you have a lots of, what do you call this? The rice, a lot of a little, and then they call it like this. Then you need to you need to fast. You need to fast and what you call this, the skills how to like this. You need to put rice. They are so fast. They like this. Imagine how you do that. How you do that. When I saw them, oh my God, I amazed. They are so fast to planting the rice. But when I learn, I do it. Oh my God, I'm too. I can. Yes, I can. Be back. Have phone call. Thank you, Mike. It's like a sewing machine, lad. It's a sewing machine. Like a sewing machine. Yes, po, Sir Jamie. Sewing machine. It's like sewing machine. What you do? Rice plant. How to rice the plant? Golden. Thank you, Golden. Tomorrow, I will do how to rice the plants. Look the sun. Sunny. Hope tomorrow not too much sunny because of my the skin were too darker more. For darker more the skin. It's really hard for me to having a white skin because I always under under the sun. Bad. Soak under the sun. Thank you so much, pa. Golden, thank you, Golden. Yeah, it looks hot and humid. Yes, it looks like humid. It's need sunscreen, yeah. Sunscreen here is it's expensive. Sunscreen here. Just a little this the sunscreen. That's why we need to cover the face. The face, and we cover the jacket, and then the pants, and then the face because of the sun's protect the sun under the sun. Sometimes sunny, sometimes rainy, sunny, rainy. Oh my God! But the immune system here is strong. I'm back. If anyone cares, I'm. We're a big hut. Yes, we were a big hut. Before the farmer hairs, they have a big hut, but now no big hut. Just covered on the face. That's small, yeah. So you modeling in brown shirt in tan skirt, very awesome, yeah. Yeah, tan skin. I have a brown skin here. You know what, Filipino, they love white skin, but me, I have a brown skin. My God. Franklin, hi Franklin. But I'm not obsessed. I'm not obsessed for having a white skin. I'm happy of my skin. But a lots of Filipino, even a man or a woman, they spend much money to having a white skin. Never, I can't having a white skin because of I'm always under the sun. Oh my God, I walk a lot. That's why. Thank you so much for 62 likes. Sana'y maldaman na ang puso ka sa wanasa. I'm waiting for the workers. I need to because 1:30 I need to I have an appointment meeting. I need to attend the meeting. Sana'y maldaman. Oh my God, thank you, Mike. Something for you, YouTube Cheryl Salar. Thank you. Thank you so much. My God. I have two, 2020. It's Crazy Woman in America, laying tanning beads to get the sun because they want us reach the skin white, the white skin. Different here, oh my God. Different here, Filipina. But me, I like, I'm always under the sun, my God. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the super chatter for today. Thank you, Sir Jamie, Mike. God bless you po. My the color of my shirt is orange. Oh my God, I'm so much waiting. What I'm going here. I need to go home now. Althea vlog. Thank you, Althea. Thank you so much. Sometimes I run. Sometimes I hide. Sometimes I'm scared of you. All I really want is to hold you tight. Treat you tight. Be with you day and night. Treat you tight. Sometimes I hope, sometimes I'm scared of you. And all I really want is to hold you tight. Treat you right, baby, Good job, Jamie. Thank you, pa. Thank you, Mike. Yes. Don, Sir Don. Jamie, she's kind, my friend, good friend here. So I'm confusing about Sir Jamie. I'm confused about you, Sir Jamie. Yeah. But thank you so much. I thought Sir Jamie appreciate farmer hers. That's why. Don, you too. Maybe Sir Jamie appreciate farmer hers. That's why. Sometimes I walk. The process, the rice, how to another rice. You're always working so hard. You deserve that. Oh, thank you, Sir Jamie. Thanks so much. It's enough. Sir Jamie, thank you for someone who appreciates me. Oh my God. Thank you also, Sir Don. How are you doing po? I'm waiting for the workers. So it's maybe they're not because I'm worried about the the sun. They work too early, maybe. They work here 6 a.m. in the morning. Then until now, they still working under the sun. They I like this planting rice. That's why I really appreciate the rice. The farmer here. Imagine you work too early, 6 a.m. in the morning. Until now, they still working. And you were up like this. Until now, they still working. That's why. That's why I prepare food for them. Hopefully, they are drinking plenty of water. Yeah, they have a water, but I need to rest before I drink water. That's why I'm worried. Oh my God. The sun is so hot. That's why I'm worried about them. I'm waiting for them. What time na? I'm worried because I think they feel hungry na. Oh my God. When they come, you will see it. I think it looks so tired. Look so tired. Yeah. That's why we need to this deserve serving for food. Just think if he was a 6 foot and planting. Yeah, just imagine you are a 6 footer and you're planting. Oh my God, it's very. Dana is having a back pain. My God. But the other country machine, a rising plant machine. But here, oh my God, it's hand just by hand. God, oh my God, oh my God. I'm worried because of too hot. But they always do their job is like that, so they can take care of themselves. They know about that. Their immune system is good. You know what? Two of them is a senior citizen. They still working. So two of them, they are wife and the husband. They're working. Would be tough job, yeah. So tough. Two workers are senior citizen. They are husband and wife. You will see when they came here. Oh my God. Hope they can pass because I need to I'm waiting. Waiting for nothing. Sometimes that happens, yes, but how many hectares or hectares? Maybe 2 hectares. 2 hectares, I think 2.5. It's 2.5 hectares. Yeah, 2 hectares, maybe something like that. It's a wide the rice need to be planted. 10 workers they plant. Sometimes I'm scared. All I really want is to. That's a lot of plant. Yes, that's a lot of planting. When they harvest, still by hand. They harvest the rice just by hand. Yes, that's why very difficult. Do they get good salary? The salary they get. There's the here. Minimum wage here. Almost $10. $10. And yes, $10. Almost $10. 450 pesos. Maybe $9, something like that. $9, 10, almost 10. Almost 10. But yes, it's here. It's enough for a whole day. It's enough for food for whole day, for breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. It's good for all day expenses for food. For one family. It depends of the kinds of family. Sometimes, oh my God, the large family, sometimes they have 7 kids, 5 kids. Oh my God, different head. That is hard job, yes. Very hard job. At least they get 2S for free, yes. Yes po. And I think they need to, they need to require to eat. They deserve it to eat the foods because of so much hard work. Hard work. And sometimes I want, sometimes I feel sorry, it's so hard to tell. When we planted tobacco, the farmer would feed us. Yeah, yes. But others did not. No, not free for. They get salary for all day, not including the foods and other expenses. Sir David, hi Sir David, Althea Flex, thank you Althea. Oh my God, oh my God, almost 12 AM here. Where are the Oh my God, I'm worried now. I preparing for the and they are prepared na. This is the tin. This is the tin. So I need to prepare na. Almost already na. The soup. Almost ready. The rice. Can you see the fields from there? Yeah. But no one can. Yes. You will see the look when they are. Tantay. Tay. Tantay. 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 Ay, tarag. Can't live here because the foods. Can't live here because of the foods. The animals here, the dogs. No one can see here, my God. Tantay. If someone say the foods, I will go there. Tantay. Toy. Here. Then I will look. Mantayan mo man didi ha. Kay kon kaunon. Okay po. I'm going there. I need to wear the jacket because of wait po. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god. Maybe there's still, stand on the bucket salad. Yeah. Yeah. Stand on the bucket salad. Yeah, di na mali na ako. Alis na ako. Ano didiho. Parang yun sa lista. Mali na ako. Ano rin ha. Kaya katong ko sa mama mo. Oh my god. Bakit salad? Bakit di ka maalis? I have no heart. Oh my god. That's only my... You will see. I need to... Oh my god. What's happening there? You look like a ninja, yes. I look like a ninja. Because of look, oh my god, the birds. I'm like a bird. Wow. Beautiful. Oh. Sorry. Water buffalo. Water buffalo. Oh my god. Different Ko. I can't remember when you go so sweet. Oh. Pap, para, pap. They still, they are already finished na. Oh my god, look. They already finished na. Oh my god. You will see. They still working. Oh my god. Two of them are senior. Imagine. The two of them are senior citizens. They are still working under the sun. My goodness. They start at 6 a.m. in the morning. They still working. But the immune system. I like that headband. My tulay. Oh my god. Look. Be careful me. You need to be careful me. The mud. Look. She's a Kung Fu Ninja Dawn. Kung Fu Ninja. Yes, they're still working. Oh my god. Look. Matapos na. Oh my god. Ay, Yes, this is the senior citizen. Yes po, she's a senior citizen. Yes, this is so working. Oh my God. Yes, almost finished. Maybe I need to rise the plant. Maybe I need to rise the plant. Wait. Para matapos na. Kagayon! Kalay ba ko? Maybe I need to rise the plants. Oh my God. For finish. Ah. Oh my God. Pira-pira ang sulod. Kaya, lima? Lima. Ikaw. Hindi? Hindi? Oo. Hindi. Hindi. Aray ko. Ay, nako. Oh my God. Lima. Ang hirap pag tayo. Ha? Lima. Ay, baby. Wait. Hi.
Cool. Cool.
Ako man makabalya ha.
Pwede naman si baba pa ko nito. Ito baba ko nito sa kanila yun.
Kaya mo lang yun. Abot na tanong man.
Wala pa na.
Kaya pa lang sila. Ginahan ka pa? Ginahan ka mangyapon. Kaya pa kapos kanto. Ngayon pa yun, naroon. Pili sa loob. Kung mana yun, isang tarago.
Wala pa, di ko harap.
Oh, pa. Palit. Basta doon ka nga punta. Oo. Siyog yung iba.
Ano dito, buman.
Sabi ko, yung mo lang yung kawala pa sa barya sa on. Yata mo kano. Ay sabi kami nga natin yung bigat. Yata mo kano. Hindi siya nagsabi kong sende. Kinuha niyo dito tanuman niya. Kinuha niya ano ni Gire. Aw, Gire. Si Gire nga si Bunel. Kasi Bunel, may trabaho ka rin sa kontraksyon. Kung sinabi niya, ako kukunta, wala problema. Kaya pala pilit malaki niya.
Asa ka ngayon, nakapisa.
Kahapon, nag-iri ng sira.
Pero pag sabi na,
Wala pag sabi niya, nagbakit sa balay. O hay, nasuhon ko kag bakal ko sila ng hindi mo na, turo ko yung gili. Ayun ka? Ay, nabinunyo ko siya. Puta ka, at galing mo mag-istoryan ha. Spirit mo ako. Tapos ngayon, inatag mo sa iba, di mo malaw para mo.
wala na, mataram na.
Ang pagkaagamatanan na.
Kakagito ko sa libra, ano ba? Kaya itipuan ka mong yapon, nakatalim ko mong yapon.
Okay. Ano talaga kung talaga ako? Ito na nga ang bag ko. Nagulat talaga sa kaupod ko. Gulat mo siya ayun. Gulat na. Kaya ito nga siya. Nadalit sa kanya sa kanya. Sabi sa bata ko. Wala ko nga sa inuman. Maani ka. Ano ba yan ngayon, mama?
Hindi na lang pa ka niya.
Hindi ko alam kung pakarayan yun. Maano mo yun? Tatlo ba dyan? Kali. Kali.
No!
Siya kaya, ayay, siya kaya.
Sige ba, ang kantaw kayo na.
Man, sarapal lang.
Awat kayo ito kanina. Dito mo ba? Kaya ibaba ito. May salo.
Ay lang, papunta. Manasirin kay ma. Para pa kami santara. Ay, maulit na ako. Ay, mainiting kami alaw.
Agara, agari sa ating baksaran.
Alas 11:35. Atag man, alas 11:30.
Ay, salamat. May nga kay Atag. May... Taan. Tanesh.
Alas 11:35.
Tanesh, I need to, because they need to eat na. Ha? Lubugan ko ikaw. I'm going na. Ouch. Ouches. hold you. I will begin to see the rice fields. Women's mud wrestling, yes. Muddy. Yes, the muddy. Oh my god. Ring the dinner bell. Yes. I need to go na the rice fields like this. Leonie. Hi, Leonie. He working hard, I see. Thank you, Sir Jamie. Aray. Sir Jamie, woman, pay for a mud bath and get some, and you got one for the free. My God. Oh. Need to eat na. I'm going home. Tantay. Luluwagan ko na kahit para ano. Luto na. Ay, ininip. Need to prepare home na. Luto na, prepare na, makaon na lang.
Preparado na yan. Preparado.
Ininit lang ang sabaw.
Oh.
Naglamig eh.
Hangos mo na, Dio.
Ako muna yun. Kaya yan kita sa pasakay. Luwag na kamo yan ang pinggan mo. Ano patay sabaw mo, sabawin na.
Ito, okay na ito.
Ano? Barat na ha?
Alay dito.
Ito bang ano sa bag? Baso?
Alay lang pag alipin daw.
Pili ha? Luwag na lang kamo.
Ambog.
Mo.
Sila ambog.
Oh, ganda mo.
Ay, nayan sila.
Baka mabun ha?
Ambog mo.
Oh.
Abri yung sinisan.
Yan na kon.
Ay, ayun.
Dili ni, nabibidyo pa kita ho. Oh, nanay pa yun.
Magkalive siya.
May nang patanong ha.
Patanom didi sa Bicol.
Makaraon na.
Makaraon na.
Tapos ang hungit baga.
Dapat ini.
Makamili sin aircon.
Ay,
Hindi mo pa may luto pa.
Ay.
Kaso na ano ini natubod.
tubod. Ulang yun.
Nanganan sa nato bakit? Kasobra sa sipi.
Hindi may ano.
Basta daw ka naman yun.
Ito, isda ho. Lagi na ikay. Tinanggalan mo na yung paligid.
Sabi na.
Wala kutsara.
Paghuna ko kung ka na yung bata.
Kami, padabot ni kami.
May lamisa ho. Tawan.
Ano lang yun? Suka, tawyo lang.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Bye-bye po. Hello everyone. God bless. Thank you so much po. Bye-bye. Thank you so much po. Bye-bye po. Hello.
Hindi na lang.
Ano ba si Tanday?